Hi, my name is Bart Kamski, and in this episode of Unreal Engine 4 minutes tutorial I'm going to show you how to measure distance of our character and how to display it in the viewport all in 4 minutes. Okay, let's go right into it. Let's open our first person blueprint folder and let's open blueprints folder in it and let's open first person character. We need to create our distance variable here, so in the bottom left side let's click plus and create distance variable. It is bool by default, so we can change it here from boolean to float. Let's compile it. Here we have it. Now we have to get tick, so let's get event tick because we need to check our distance on every frame. And now we need to get velocity of our character. So we type for get velocity, but this is velocity in all 3 dimensions because this is vector, and we need the length of this vector to have only float value. So let's drag from it and type length, vector length. Here we go, our velocity. And now we have to add it to distance. So we have to get our distance. So if we press Ctrl on our keyboard and drag distance, we will get it, and if we press Alt on our keyboard and drag distance, we will set it. So now we have to add our velocity to our distance, and we need to set the distance with the value. We can check by printing this value if everything works. Yes, it does. Okay, we can delete our print string, and now we have to create our widget. So let's go to the content browser, press right mouse button, user interface, widget blueprint, and it's going to be new widget blueprint, and let's get our text from the palette. And this is going to be our distance, so let's name it distance. Here it is. And we need another text to have our actual values, so it's going to be 0, but we need to bind this text with actual value from our character. So next to the text we need to bind it, we need to create binding. So here is our binding, and we need to get values from our first person character, so we need to cast to it. If we cast to our first person character as object, we can get player character, here it is, and now we can have access to our distance. So as first person character we need to drag it and type distance. Here is our distance, and we need to connect it here. It will automatically change from float to text, and all we have to do now is add our widget to the viewport. So let's search for begin play. Here it is. At the begin play we need to create our widget. Here we go. And we need to then add it to viewport. Here we go. To save it. Yes, everything works. We have our distance visible on our screen every time we make a move. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 1000 subscribers, and if you have any questions or any suggestions about future tutorials, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.